Fall into the belly where the halves of me really show me just a little bit of honesty. I hope that it's solid, but it's getting harder now to fall. I know well, but let out both dry. You could have anything you wanted it all for your fool's gold. And I know well by deaf and half blind, you could get anything you wanted. Yeah, I would have handed it all over, falling for you. I either fall for you, for you. Came in and you're looking like a sign of grace. I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. But when I noticed it was far too late, you left a fingerprint on my soul. For you.